Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's tutorial, we want to find the height of this building. Given that from the top and the bottom of the building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower, which is 36 meters high as observed by an observer, are 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. So the first thing we're going to do is to draw a diagram that represents this problem. So making a sketch here, if we let this building be this and the tower be this, they are joined by an horizontal distance. We join the top of the building to its corresponding height on the tower by broken line. So from top of the building, the elevation is drawn thus, and that's 30 degrees. And from the bottom of the building, the elevation is drawn thus. That's 60 degrees. This is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. We can let the height of the building be x meters, and the height of the tower is 36 meters. So we could let the building be AB, while the tower should be TS. Where the level of the building, the top of the building on the tower, we can let that be a N, so that NS is X meters and TN is going to be 36 minus X meters. It is normal to assume that the tower is vertical, so the triangles ATN and BTS are right angle triangles. Therefore, what we actually want to look out for here is X. Here is the perfected form of the diagram depicting the problem. Let us now get solving. So we have said X should represent the height of the building, and what this simply means is that AB is X meters. And don't forget, this is also NS. TN is equally 36 minus X meters. From triangle ATN, using the tangent ratio, the tangent of the angle 30 degrees is the opposite side, and that's TN divided by the adjacent side, which is AN. The tangent of the angle 30 degrees is 1 over root 3, and that's equal to TN, which is 36 minus X, and that divided by AN. So by the cross product property, the length of the side AN is going to be 36 minus X root 3. We're going to keep this one as equation 1. Then we consider from triangle BTS. Still using tangent, the tangent of the angle 60 degrees is going to be the side TS over BS. And don't forget that the side BS is the same thing as the side AN. Therefore, we can write the above as tan 60 degrees equals to TS over AN. And the tangent of the angle 60 degrees is the square root of 3, and that's equal to the side TS, which is 36 meters, that's the height of the tower, and that divided by AN. By using the cross product property, the product of AN and the square root of 3, the tangent of 60 is equal to 36, and dividing both sides by the square root of 3, AN is going to be 36 divided by root 3. We are not going to rationalize this yet, we just call it equation 2. and then equate the first and the second equation, since they are both be represented by an. This simply means that 36 minus x times the square root of 3 is the same thing as 36 divided by root 3. We then multiply both sides by root 3. This is going to be 36 minus x root 3 multiplied by root 3 on the left, and on the right we're going to have 36 over root 3 multiplying root 3. So that we're going to have on the left 36 minus x times 3. That's the product of root 3 and root 3. And on the right, we're going to have 36 as root 3 cancel out. The next is to divide both sides by 3. This means that 36 minus x is equal to 12. And 36 minus 12 is going to be x. And x is definitely 24. And this suggests that the building is 24 meters high. We believe you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave your thoughts, questions, and comments in the comment box. And make sure you do subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any update from our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.